Good morning. In the previous session, we are solving some examples on insurance. Today, let us continue the problem solving on that. Example number 5. If the premium at the rate of 1.2% is to amounts to rupees 84, find the value of the insured amount. As I said yesterday, these are all small questions and probable questions for the MCQ. See, premium rate is 1.2%. 1.2% out of 100, 1.2. That is equal to 1.2 divided by 100. That is equal to 0.012. Now, premium amount equal to 84. So, premium payable equal to policy amount into premium rate. Now, what are given here? Policy payable is given. So, amount payable is given. Premium payable is given 84 yearly, and policy amount it is asked to determine, and the premium rate is already given. So, substitute the values of all those things. We get 84 equal to policy amount into 0.012. Therefore, policy amount equal to 84 divided by 0.012 equal to 7,000 rupees. Is the answer. Very small answer. Within a minute you can solve easily, no problem. Next, problem number 7. Problem 6 solve at home, the same similar type. Before that, I will send the questions, of course, questions list. In this section, almost all questions are very small questions, like MCQ. Now, the another setup, that is surrender value and paid up value. Surrender value means, as the name itself says, surrender means the payable means insured person what he wishes to withdraw the insurance agreement before the maturity. Before maturity, withdrawal the policy is the surrendering. So that is surrender value. And paid up value. Paid up value means this also similar to the surrender, means he wants to get an assurance for the appropriate amount of sum assured and is free from payment future premiums. In this case, policyholder gets on assurance for a appropriate amount of sum assured and is free from the payment of future premiums. In the sense, when the policyholder wishes to discontinue paying premium, he does not interested to pay the premium, he may either surrender or the policy to the corporation, or he may take the cash consideration also, convert into paid up policy. That also possible. That is surrender value and paid up value. Example on that. I will read the example first. A person had taken 20 years policy, so time period is 20 years, of rupees 50,000. The policy amount is 50,000. Find the paid up value of the policy if he had paid 8 annual premiums. So we know that paid up value equal to T by N into policy amount. I have already explained in the definition this. So here T equal to number of years premium paid that equal to 8. N equal to stipulated period of policy or agreement made for the premium payment, that is 20 years. Policy amount is 50,000. Therefore, policy paid up value is 8 divided by 20. So T is the 8 years. N is the number of periods, policy years, so that is 20 into policy amount. Policy amount is 50,000. 8 by 20 into 50,000 equal to 20,000 rupees. That is all. Very simple, no? Next, example number 8. Surrender value of the policy is 25% of the premium paid. Whatever he pays, the premium paid, the surrender value is 25% of that. What is the surrender value of the policy of rupees 20,000, which is in force for 8 years premium being paid at rupees 20 per thousand per year per. So given that surrender value is 25%, policy amount is 20,000, so number of premium paid is 8 years. Now premium rate equal to 50 per thousand per year, that is equal to 0.05. Now annual premium payable equal to policy amount into premium rate. So annual premium payable is equal to policy amount into premium rate. So policy amount is 20,000, premium rate is 0.05, that is gives you 1,000. So every year he has paid 1,000 rupees as premium. So for the 8 years it becomes 8,000 rupees. 8 years premium paid equal to 8,000 rupees. Therefore surrender value equal to 25% of the premium paid. It is actually given in the question. So 25% of the premium paid is 25% of the 0.25, 2,000. 2 into 4 is 8. Very simple. Okay. Next is the general insurance. General insurance, again there are actually related to general insurances, they do not come under the life insurance, they are called general insurance. There are three types are there already, 2-3 types are there. Sorry, in general insurance is the related to insurance for monitoring the damages, theft or any goods, property, all. So general types of general insurance is fire insurance, marine insurance, theft insurance. Nowadays it is more than this. Several type of insurance. For everything there is insurance. That is comes under the general insurance. The difference between general insurance and life insurance is life insurance can be claimed after the maturity period or after one's death or some injury, serious injury can be claimed. But general insurance is so once paid is once for all. If anything happened in that current in that year, it can be claimed. Otherwise, you can't claim it. Once paid is off. This is off, so you can't claim that in future. That is the difference between the general insurance. So general insurance equal to amount claimed. Amount claimed equal to insured amount divided by property value multiplied by net loss. Now let us take one example when the property value is not given. How to do that? So the house was insured to the extent of 2/5 of its value. The annual premium is at 1.2%, which amounts to 84 rupees. Annual premium is at 1.2%, amounts to 84. In the sense, whatever the value of the house, 1.2% of this is paid as premium, annual premium. That is 84 rupees. Find the value of the house. Now premium payable is rupees 84 at 1.2%. This implies that by applying rule of 3, whenever the premium is rupees 1.2, the insured amount equal to 100. Therefore, whenever the premium is 1.2 ಅಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಸಾರಿ ಅದು 84 ಆಗಬೇಕು. Whenever the premium is 84, the insured amount ಆಗಬೇಕು. Therefore 84 divided by 1.2 ಇಂಟು 100 ಆಗ್ತದೆ 7000. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1.2 ಅಲ್ಲ 84 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ house was insured to extent of 2 by 5 of its value. What is the 2 by 5 of its value? So again applying the rule of 3. So 2 by 5 of 7000. Applying the rule. Whenever the insured amount is 2, the value of property is 5. Therefore, whenever insured amount is 7000, the value of the property equal to 7000 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. That is equal to 17,500. This is the answer. So try some more examples at home. I will send the list of questions whenever I am free. All the questions, all are small. You can yourself can try at home. Okay, let us stop here. Thank you.